Welcome to Car Gear. Today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic muscle cars of all time, the 1969 Ford Mustang. A car that defined an era, packed with power, aggression, and timeless style. Let's take a closer look at what makes this beast a true legend on the road. The 69 Mustang came with a bold new design, featuring a more aggressive front end, a longer body, and a wider stance. The signature fastback profile gave it an unmistakable presence, while the shark-like nose and quad headlights made it look even meaner. It came in multiple trims, including the Mach 1, Boss 302, and the legendary Boss 429, each with its unique styling cues. From the classic racing stripes to the functional hood scoops, every detail screamed performance. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit. The bucket seats were comfortable yet sporty, wrapped in premium vinyl or optional leather. The dash layout was simple but effective, featuring round gauges with a classic wood-grain finish on higher trims. For its time, the Mustang offered impressive features like an AM/FM radio, air conditioning, and even a tilt steering wheel. While it wasn't the most luxurious cabin, it was all about delivering a pure driving experience. Under the hood, the 1969 Mustang packed serious muscle. It offered multiple engine options, from the base 200 cubic inch inline-six to the monstrous 429 cubic inch V8 in the Boss 429. The Mach 1 came standard with a 351 Windsor V8, producing 250 horsepower, while the Boss 302 was built for racing with a high-revving small block. These engines delivered thrilling acceleration, raw torque, and an unmistakable exhaust note that still turns heads today. On the road, the Mustang handled surprisingly well for a muscle car of its time. The Boss models had upgraded suspension and better aerodynamics, making them track-worthy machines. The standard models, while not as precise, still offered a thrilling ride, thanks to the rear-wheel drive setup and powerful engine lineup. When new, a 1969 Mustang had a base price of around $2,700, but today these classics are worth a fortune. A well-maintained Mach 1 can go for $50,000 to $80,000, while a Boss 429 in top condition can easily cross $300,000 at auctions. So, whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or just someone who loves American muscle, the 1969 Ford Mustang is a car that deserves respect. It's raw, it's powerful, and it's an absolute icon. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more classic car content. This is Car Gear, and we'll see you in the next ride.